Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, new video. So we're going to do a quick unboxing today of the new Jabra Evolve2 buds with USB-A professional pocketable calls, and you've got true wireless earbuds engineered for hybrid working. So these are for those who do hybrid working, and lots of us do that today. So on the back, and it's got hi, we're Jabra. You've got your Microsoft Teams, Alexa, iPhone, and TCO certified. On the side, we have got the same again, multi-sensor voice for professional calls on the go, USB adapter, enhances sound and connection, ultra compact design for maximum comfort, up to 8 hours of battery, 33 with case and fast charge, and active noise cancelling. So that's pretty much it. It's a familiar looking box from Jabra, and we'll open it up and have a gander. So here we've got technology for life's new rhythm, and again, all the usual stuff here, which looks pretty fine. Okie dokie. And here we go. So as usual, when you do get your new buds from Jabra, check the app. The app is fantastic. I've said that many times in my reviews. And you can check that out and update and see what the crack is. And you can register your product for 20% off your next purchase. Terms and conditions apply. Alright, so if we open up here, we've got this little case here, or little sleeve. Google Play App Store, you've got your controls here, and you've got your Bluetooth adapter. You can of course use your phone as well, and you connect your device normally with Bluetooth, but this enhances that. That's the whole idea of it. And that's how they work. I'm using Jabra's products, and similar products that have a similar kind of setup, they do work. And that's pretty much it. So that's it in the box, nothing else in there. And in here we have got our cable and our tips. So that's the cable there, and that's our tips, and that's the cable. And it's a nice solid cable too. And a closer look at the tips. So you've got your different sizes there. And obviously the sizes there's a pair on them already. So that's pretty much it here now. So let's have a look. So the case is longer, and as you can see here, than our typical Jabra case. And I have my 5T. Should be under the table there, but not that we recently reviews, and just to show you an example of the case size difference. And this is what we get when we open it here, and you can see you've got some writing there. You've got your adapter here, and of course it has Jabra wrote on it there. And I'm just going to pop that back in there and take out the earbuds. You can see there is a light on them. That's what the case will look like inside there, and pretty nice. And a typical design. It does fall into their current lineup with the design language. Nice clicky buttons, can you hear that? Pretty cool. And you've got your two connections there, both sides, left and right, marked on it as well. And let's see how strong the magnets are. So you've got your LED up front too, and they ain't going to fall out. So that's pretty much what it looks like there. Okay, so what are these about? These are about hybrid working. You've got your 33 hours of battery life. You've got your adjustable noise cancelling, your multi-point connection, which you connect two devices at once, which is important for a lot of people today. Multi-sensor voice technology, and you're certified for Teams and leading UC platforms. And that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to show you our Connect 5T here, for the case size there, the difference between it. And you've got your charging on the bottom there as well, as you can see, which is cool. So you can wirelessly charge, and that's pretty much it. So that'll just give you a kind of an idea of what they look like there, because this is their latest pair, the Connect 5T. and this is the Evolve 2, and the case is a lot longer there, as you can see. So that'll just give you some idea on that. Of course, you've Jabra written on the top there, but not on that. On the back, you can see the difference there as well. And that's pretty much it. But looking forward to testing these out and see how they sound. And of course, we'll test this, connect to our laptop, which we work on kind of both all the time. So for me, a product like this is ideal, and for switching over as I'm at my laptop or my phone all day long, and that's exactly what you want. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And basically that's pretty much it. So there's only Jabra on the front on that, on top there. So some subtle changes, but the colour is the same, the feel is the same. It's got this kind of glossy finish, and that's pretty cool. And you still have your LED up on the front there, and you can see there you've got LED lights on top here, and there's none on that, but you have the LED there, and it's a green LED too. So that's basically it for a quick first look and unboxing, and look forward to testing these out and see how they sound and how they work. And we're switching over using two products all the time, as we do here. And don't forget, of course, you've got the Jabra Sound Plus app, and you've got loads of stuff there to think about. And these also come with the My Fit built in. You've safe tone and peak stop as well. So lots to talk about, lots to test out, and looking forward to testing out. So again, drop a comment below if you want to know what else or want to ask us something, and stay tuned for full review soon when we'll have a look, tell you about them, show you the app and all that kind of stuff, and any exciting new features we find within the app, as we are a regular user of it. There is lots going on, but there is some differences between the products and the app, to what features you can access. So see you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for a full review soon.